This is the Motor Inertia Matching Ratio interactive calculator, which determines the inertia ratio between your motor and load after gear reduction. The calculator has 3 input fields. First is motor inertia in kilogram meters squared, where you enter your motor's rotational inertia. Second is load inertia, also in kilogram meters squared, where you input your load's rotational inertia. Third is gear ratio in n/1 format, which is your reduction ratio. After entering these values, you click Calculate Inertia Matching. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 0.001 for motor inertia, 0.01 for load inertia, and 5 for gear ratio. When I click Calculate, the results show a reflected load inertia of 0.0004 kilogram meters squared. This is the load inertia as seen by the motor through the gearbox. The inertia ratio displays as 0.4 to 1, meaning the reflected load inertia is 40% of the motor's inertia. This ratio helps engineers determine if their motor-load combination will provide optimal dynamic performance. Find the link in the description below.